I have been implementing fasted workouts into my everyday routine, and it has been crucial in toning up, slimming down, losing fat, and increasing my endurance. So what are the benefits of fasted cardio and or workouts? One, it increases fat burning. When you exercise in a fasted state, your body is more likely to burn stored fat for energy since it has limited glycogen stores to draw on. This may lead to greater fat loss over time. Two, it improves insulin sensitivity. Fasted cardio may help improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of diabetes. So if you are high risk like I am, because I come from a diabetic family, this is crucial in preventing the generational curse in a sense. And three, it increases endurance. Some people may find that they have more energy and endurance during fasted cardio sessions since their bodies are not using energy to digest a recent meal. It's not ideal to work out in a full stomach, but fasted cardio is different because there's a sense of clarity and lightness. So if you've never tried fasted cardio, give it a try. Disclaimer, if you have low blood sugar, you get dizzy or fatigued easily, fasted cardio may not be for you. But if you're looking to increase your fat loss, see bigger benefits from your fasting, and get to your dream body faster, I'd highly, highly, highly encourage incorporating fasted cardio. I have been doing this for the past 2 weeks now, and I have just been slimming down so much and losing a lot of gut fat. Ignore my belly because, listen, the mommy pouch isn't going anywhere. So this is the routine I've been implementing on my fasted cardio days. I have been doing Jillian Michaels 30-day shred. This is level 1. There's 3 levels. Each level is 10 days, and ideally you'd want to do it every single day. Is that realistic? Probably not, but I love the program so much because it is so effective with its structuring of a 3-2-1, which is 3 minutes of strength, 2 minutes of cardio, and 1 minute of abs for 3 rounds. They're very basic, effective moves, and Jillian Michaels, as a trainer, has formulated a very efficient 20-minute workout, which means I have no excuse not to complete it every day because it's just 20 minutes and I can always find 20 minutes to get a workout in. The cardio within the program has been so beneficial because I have been focusing on weightlifting so heavy lately and growing my glutes and growing my thighs and legs that I kind of neglected my upper body and my cardio. So this was a wonderful way to get back into cardio. A lot of people used to say it will take away from gains, but in my opinion, it helps show those gains by leaning out faster. If you're a beginner or you're looking for a well-structured workout program made by a professional, a certified professional trainer, I would highly recommend Jillian Michaels' 30-day shred. You will lean out, you will lose inches. In my workout routine, this almost serves as a warm-up because it's 20 minutes, because it's brief, because it's warming up my body, and it gets me ready for the strength training I'm gonna do afterwards. Another thing I really love about this program is it forces me to do ab workouts, which often goes neglected for me. Ab workouts are crucial in my core strength, in my posture, in my form for lifting heavier weights. So having abs thrown in 3 times and a good solid 3 minutes of core workout has been great. I'm actually seeing baby abs and my waist is getting smaller. I purchased my 30-day shred from Apple TV. I have all 3 levels available to me. I know some places have level 1 for free, but I just decided to purchase it so I don't have to worry about the other levels. And if you're interested in what I'm wearing, I will happily link it down below. The program is beautifully designed with a warm-up and a cool down. So there's a brief stretching, static stretching at the end to lengthen out those muscles. About 3 times a week, I'll do a heavy leg day at home. I'll use my 35-pound weights I got from Walmart, and I'll do about 3 of my favorite exercises to target the entire glute and or leg. First, I'm starting off with Bulgarian split squats. Once I've mastered the positioning and foot placement of this exercise, I'm unstoppable. First, I sit on the edge of the couch, stretch my legs straight out, and point my heels up, and then I'm in the perfect position to do heavy weighted Bulgarian split squats easily. Now you can see from my positioning, it's more of a diagonal move more than an up and down move. This targets the glutes more so than the quads, which is always my focus. Bulgarian split squats has easily transformed my lower body in just one exercise. Unilateral exercises for president, if you don't have them in your routine for leg day, do so. Any one-legged movement is going to strengthen and balance your form. The next exercise I get into are assisted single leg hip thrusts. This kind of works the side booty and of course the hamstrings, the gluteus maximus, but this exercise is oddly underrated for building the side booty, and that's a goal of mine because I want the roundness, and so I've been incorporating a lot more single leg hip thrusts. I'm telling you, these unilateral movements are just key. They're clutch because you never know which side of your body is doing most of the work. So when you do each side singly, perfect. And I've been trying to work on remembering my calves on leg day. So I ended out my at-home leg day with calf raises. I'm using my hand weights as almost like a little platform to get deeper into the lift. And I just go with as many reps as possible for 3 rounds. And this is me practicing my floss because I'm finished with my inside workout. Now off to the gym. You're probably like, girl, aren't you finished? No, I'm not finished. I'm ending this off at my complex's gym. I'm just going on the treadmill for 20 minutes of walking at an incline of 12 at a pace of 3. This is similar to the 3-12-30 workout, except I'm just doing 20 minutes. And what this does is it uses up a bit more of my blood sugar, draining those stores a little bit more, depleting those stores a bit more, and increasing fat loss. Walking on an incline is great for the legs, fat burn, and calorie reduction. So I just finish it off and I catch up on videos while doing so. And I like the view. I like this view. Okay, Colleen, I see you. See you, girl. After that strenuous workout, I broke my fast with a small berry protein smoothie. I added some AG1 by Athletic Greens, vegan protein powder, frozen blueberries, and a bit of water. And this was like a nice, light, easy way to get my protein in, break my fast, and open up my appetite. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.